Hello everyone. In this video we will have a detailed discussion on the sex determination, means what actually defines the sex of the embryo, right? So before that we must know what are chromosomes. So whenever any cell is in the cell division phase, we see chromosomes, and chromosomes are formed by the condensation in the chromatin fiber. So if you talk about any one cell of the human being, then it has a nucleus in the center. In the nucleus, chromatin fibers are there, and these chromatin fibers, they condenses to form the chromosome. So at the time of cell division, in each nucleus 46 chromosomes are found. Now these 46 chromosomes are bifurcated into two types. First are your autosomes and second are your allosomes, or they can also be known as sex chromosomes. Autosomes are 22 in pairs, and allosome, they are 1 in pair. Pair means double, so that means 22 into 2 will give you the value of chromosomes, and 1 into 2 means 2 chromosomes are there as sex chromosomes. That means in each human cell 44 autosomes are there and 2 sex chromosomes are there. Now if you talk about female body, then in their body, in each cell 44 chromosomes will be there, which will act as autosomes, and they will have a pair of sex chromosome which will be known as XX. So overall 44 chromosomes are already there. 2 sex chromosomes I have added, that means overall 46 chromosomes in a normal female. Now if you talk about male do have 44 chromosomes plus XY. Again 44 autosomes plus 2 sex chromosomes, that means we have done the justification. 46 chromosomes are found in the human male. Now here the important thing to, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the recent updates. Notice is the sex chromosomes are same in the case of human female, and that is why human females, they are known as homomorphic for the sex chromosome. Homo means similar, morphic means morphology, means the way they look. So XX means both the chromosomes are similar. Whereas if you talk about the human male, you can see that the sex chromosomes are different. Means the sex chromosomes are heteromorphic. Hetero means dissimilar and morphic again means morphology. So human males are heteromorphic for the sex chromosomes, whereas human female is homomorphic. Now let's understand how exactly cell determination is happening. So in males you have understood now, this is the case, 44 autosomes plus XY. In females you have understood that 44 autosomes and sex chromosomes are XX. So if the gamete is going to form, some gametes will be there with X chromosome, because this 44 autosomes will get halved by meiosis, it means 22, and out of these two, X and Y, one will go in the gamete. So herein I have shown one sperm with the X chromosomes. So overall 22 autosomes will be there, along with that the sex chromosome will be X. Whereas in the another sperm, again that 22 autosomes will go, because this 44 autosomes will be divided into two parts, and this Y will get along with those autosomes. So here one sperm has been shown X, one sperm has been shown Y, because by meiosis the chromosome number gets reduced to half. Similarly, gamete formation will happen in the females, and it will result in all the similar type of gametes. Means all the secondary oocytes, they will carry only 22 autosomes and a sex chromosome called X, right? So all the gametes, they will be homomorphic to each other because all will contain the same type of chromosome. But the sperms will be heteromorphic, means some will contain X chromosome and some will contain Y chromosome. Now our gametes are ready. Let's see how the infants will be formed. So this sperm can fuse with this secondary oocyte. This is one possibility. So 22 autosomes plus X and 22 autosomes from the female will come. So over on, if you add on this, it will give you 44 autosomes plus XX. Now another possibility, this gamete can also fuse with the another female gamete. This will again result in the formation of 22 autosomes plus X, 22 autosomes plus X. So in this case also 44 autosomes will be there and sex chromosomes will be XX, means girl will be there. Now this Y sperm can fuse with this or it can fuse with this. That means 44 autosomes will be there, along with that XY chromosome will be there. 44 autosomes will be there and XY will be there. So XY always means boy, because you have seen that human males, they only contain such type of sex chromosomes. Here XX always means girl child, right? So you can see that out of all the individuals that are produced here, 50% girls are there and 50% boys are there, right? And who is actually responsible for determining the sex of the baby? This sperm. This sperm, which is containing Y chromosome, this is actually helping the infant to be a boy. Because females are homomorphic, they can only produce X chromosome. So it is actually the male partner that determines the sex of the baby. In rural areas, still daughter-in-laws are cursed for producing the female child. Actually, they are wrong because they don't know that it is actually the male partner that determines the sex of the baby. So remember the whole explanation that has been told in the video. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you.